Here's a comprehensive comparison of Apple's popular AirPods Pro and its competitors, along with other best-selling tech devices. This analysis highlights 5 competitors for each product, with a focus on pros, cons, and unique selling points. 1. Apple AirPods Pro second generation versus competitors. The AirPods Pro are known for their exceptional noise-canceling capabilities and seamless integration with Apple devices. However, several competitors offer unique features. Sony WF-1000 Known for high-quality sound and noise cancellation, it outperforms AirPods in audio depth. Pros: superior battery life, up to 8 hours, and customizable sound. Cons: bulkier design. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 excels in noise cancellation with slightly better sound separation. Pros: excellent fit and comfort, strong noise canceling. Cons: heavier charging case. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2, ideal for Android users with rich sound quality. Pros: effective ambient mode, Samsung integration. Cons: battery life is shorter than AirPods Pro. Jabra Elite 85T, good balance between sound quality and ANC for various audio needs. Pros: dual device connectivity and equalizer controls. Cons: slightly less effective ANC. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3, great for audio clarity, offering a more premium experience. Pros: superior sound, customizable ANC. Cons: expensive and bulkier. Verdict: AirPods Pro remain a top choice for Apple users seeking balanced sound and integration, while the Sony WF-1000 XM4 or Bose Quiet Comfort are better for sound purists.